गोंयान आम आदमी पक्षाचें काम वाडोवपाच्या हेतान गोंय प्रदेश आम आदमी पक्षान आदवोगाद वाल्मिकी नायकाच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल नवीन समिती वेंचल्या. गोंयान चालू आशिल्ल्या जिल्हा पंचायत वेंचणुकेचो निकाल लागतकच रोखडीच कांय दिसांनी नवीन समिती कामाक लागतली. गोंयांतल्या मतदारसंघांतल्यो बूथ समित्यो वेंचप आनी हेर काम वाल्मिकी नायकाच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल वेंचिल्ली समिती करतली, अशी माहिती आम आदमी पक्षाची दिल्ली विधानसभेची आमदार गोंय राज्याची प्रभारी आतिशीन पणजेंत पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या.
As the party representing honest politics, Aam Aadmi Party as a party representing the politics of development, Aam Aadmi Party as a party representing the interests of common people, like the Arvind Kejriwal government has shown in Delhi, that if you have an honest government, then nothing can stop development in the interests of the people. So here also in Goa, over the next 2 years, Aam Aadmi Party is now readying itself for contesting the assembly elections in 2022. And as part of that exercise today, we are announcing a 3-month long organization building exercise that is going to start right after the ZP elections. After 22nd of March, we will be starting Mission Nirman, a 3-month organization building exercise for taking the Aam Aadmi Party to the grassroots level. So for this Mission Nirman, we are announcing today a 25-member committee which will be in charge of organization building. The chairman of the committee is going to be Valmiki Nayak, who has been our candidate from Panjim, senior leader of the party in Aam Aadmi Party. Pradeep Ghadi Amonkar is going to be the vice chairman of the committee. Other members of the committee include Mr. Bruno Fernandes, Brahmanand Nayak, Ernesto Moraes, Ibrahim Sheikh, who also joins us, Linda Vaz, Mario Cordero, Neri Fernandes, Nikhil Haldankar, Patricia Fernandes, Prasad Shahapurkar, Richard Dissa, Rok Mascarenas, Sandesh Telikar, Sanjay Kandolkar, Shripad Pednekar, Siddharth Karapurkar, Sunil Signapurkar, Advocate Suril Tilve, Sydney Barashio, Uma Volvikar, Venzi Vegas, Advocate Vishnu Nayak and Vishwesh Prabhu. So this 25-member organization building committee will be given a 3-month period for taking Aam Aadmi Party to the booth level in Goa. So this exercise will be carried out in 3 phases. The first phase will be from right after the ZP elections till the 1st of April till the end of March, where volunteer meetings will be carried out in every taluka. Then second phase will be from 1st April to 15th April, where the organization building team will carry out volunteer meetings, take the grassroots level meetings in all the 40 assembly constituencies. After this, from 15th of April to the 15th of May, meetings will be carried out by this organization building team in all the booths. That's 1640 booths that exist across all of Goa. Meetings will be carried out in that 1-month period from 15th of April to 15th of May. After 15th of May, Aam Aadmi Party will then be holding a booth level Karyakarta Sammelan, a booth level volunteer meeting, where 2 booth volunteers from every booth across the city will be attending this volunteer meeting. So over this next 3-month period, Aam Aadmi Party will be taking its organization structure down to the grassroots level, to every taluka, to every assembly area, to every booth.